Okay, this video is shot right off the side of Highway 45 in 8 Mile, Alabama. There's a little bitty creek coming under the road here, and I'm gonna try to fish it. Got just a little bit before I get to it, so when we pick it back up, I should be casting. Stay with me. Oh my goodness. You see that snake there? It's a big old water snake. Dang. I hope I'm getting him on camera. I guess I scared him off. Well, I have to watch out for that guy while I'm fishing. Alright, I had a phone call. That snake is still hanging out right there, and I haven't even made a cast over here yet, but I can already tell you there should be fish here. Oh, I think I may have had one first cast. Let's see if we can do that again. Yep. There's fish over here. Yep. See that little fella? Hopefully I got that dude on the camera. Oh yeah. All right, little buddy. Bye. Try it again. Oh, it's another one. It's another one. Haha. Talking about second cast. Good little fish. I gotta be careful before that snake comes over here. He's poking his head up. I don't know if you can see him or not. Maybe I'm not jerking around too much. He's sticking his head up. He's wondering what we got going on in here. We got fish, that's what we got, little fella. Oh. So that water from the other side is pooling up right here. I would assume where it comes off that edge, there's going to be a little gang of fish. And that's probably where they're going to ambush stuff at. It's where that little current's making a little eddy right there. Oh, I lost one. Darn it. Try not to make this video 300 minutes long. Sometimes it's hard though. Another little guy. Oh, he poked me in the eyes. Oh, he splashed me in the eyes. Darn it. Little dude. Bye, little dude. Whew. So I've got 3 so far. I'd like to get 5. I'm not keeping them, but for the sake of this video, I'd like to get 5. And I don't think it's going to be hard to do. I don't think it's going to be hard to do. I know that snake wishes I'd leave. He's just, he's looking at me. Oh, he's easing. Don't come over here. Oh, I may have just ruined this spot. May have just ruined it, or it may turn them on. I don't know. That snake does not like me over here, I don't think. I'm interrupting his playhouse. Oh gosh, he's coming. He is coming. Oh my goodness. What is he doing? What is he doing? Get away from me, snake. I thought for half a second he was coming this way. It's alright, it's alright. I'll share the water with him, I don't mind. I'll share the water with him because I'm catching fish like that. And that is a beautiful fish. It's an old looking fish. Look at his mouth. Bye, little dude. Huh. All right, that's 4. I said I wanted to catch 5. Oh, there was my 5. Darn it, there was my 5. Oh, goodness. Come on. There you go. Oh my goodness. That's why a snake's so fat, because there's fish everywhere in here. Oh, is he on there? Darn it. I'll have to edit some of this out. Okay. Ooh, I got all kinds of fouled up in here. That's what's going on. Okay, much better. There he goes. Is that number 5? That's number 5. Oh, goodness. All right, little buddy. Well, now we got to see if we can get 6. I can't leave after just catching 5. Can't leave after just getting 5. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh. Now that's 6 right there. Look at the colors on that rascal. I think that fish has eggs in it. Bye, little buddy. All right, I can't leave after catching 6 either. Gotta get 7. Oh no, oh no. Oh. I seen that fish hit. Oh my goodness. This is turning out to be a good little spot. Oh no. I'm just gonna try to shake that slack a little bit. All right, we've landed 6, lost a couple. Said if I got 5, I'd leave. Then I said if I got 6, I'd leave. I'm pretty sure I ain't leaving. Me and that snake might be friends, BFFs and all that. It's just too much fun. Oh, 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 the line's jumping. Is he on there? Yep, he's on there. Little bitty bass. Oh. Get him in the water before it gets dirty. Dirty. All right, so that was 7. I'm gonna try for 8. Trying to shake that line, and if I see that line jump or run off, then I'll set the hook. But until I do, I don't think I got a fish on it. See, it looks like it's kind of moving. I can't tell. No, it's the weeds. The weeds was making it act funny. All right, so I'm gonna have to go in a minute. I gotta eat dinner. This has been a lot of fun though. All right, last cast. Let's see what happens. So I was trying to avoid that area because that snake was over there. But for the last cast, I'm gonna slingshot this, let it fall off that ledge. And I'm gonna kinda, oh God, he's coming back. The snake's coming. Oh my goodness. He's just chilling. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? Is he gonna go the other way? Yeah, he's going the other way. Bye, little dude. He thought I'd be gone. You ain't scared me off, little dude. Not today. Not today. I did say that was the last cast, but he ruined it. One more. There he goes. Oh yeah, what is that? That's a good brim. That's a good brim. That's not a bad one at all. Now that's a good way to end the day right there. It's a healthy little bluegill. I would, if I was keeping fish, that one might make the cut. He's a little thin, but he's about long enough. Just about. All right, he's the king of these waters. Bye, little fella. Okay, now we're done. I hope you enjoyed that.